In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for videos on Vimeo like a pro. Whether you're a creator looking for inspiration or just someone who loves watching videos, finding specific content on Vimeo can enhance your experience. So, let's dive in and see how you can use Vimeo's search features effectively. First, you'll need to log into your Vimeo account. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention towards the top of the page where you'll find the search bar. This is your gateway to discovering a wide array of content, so it's a good starting point to get familiar with. In the search bar, you can enter what you're looking for. This could be anything from specific keywords related to the content you desire, a creator's name if you're following someone in particular, or even a channel that you're a fan of. Typing these in will set the stage for your exploration across Vimeo's vast library. Next, you'll have a decision to make regarding the scope of your search. If you're curious to see what's in your personal collection, you'll want to search within your library. To do this, look for the stacked player icon, commonly seen as the library option. This is particularly useful if you're trying to quickly locate a video you've previously uploaded or interacted with. Alternatively, if your goal is to reach beyond your own collection and explore all public videos available on the platform, you should opt for the global search. This is accessible by selecting either the globe icon or the drop-down option labeled Search All of Vimeo for. Choosing this will broaden your search criteria and potentially introduce you to new content and creators. Once you've executed your search, Vimeo will take you to a results page. Here, the magic of refinement comes into play. On the right panel of the page, you'll encounter a variety of filters to narrow down your results. You have the option to refine by type, whether you're seeking videos, channels, or groups. Additionally, you can filter results by duration, upload date, resolution, and other criteria that can help zero in on exactly what you're interested in. Finally, go ahead and click on any of the results that catch your eye. This will allow you to view the video or channel in detail. If you're browsing through your personal library, you also have the capability to sort your results by parameters such as relevance, the date they were added, or duration, among others. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can efficiently navigate Vimeo's platform and make the most out of the content that's available. Happy searching, and enjoy discovering all that Vimeo has to offer.